you heard about something called bad posture? I just want to ask, is bad posture really the reason you are having back pain? Because quite a number of patients come to me saying, I'm having back pain because maybe I sit poorly. The truth is, there is nothing like bad posture. Bad posture, it doesn't matter the position you take, the way you sit. What matters is how long you take in that particular position of sitting. There is nothing like, there is no defined sitting arrangement that can help you alleviate back pain or not to get back pain. The truth should be, if you sit for so long in a particular position, it doesn't matter how you sit, muscles will switch off, stabilizing ligaments will switch off, the bones and joints will weaken, and that will set off your pain alarm system from your brain. So, the real cause of your pain is not the bad way of sitting, as people say. The real cause is staying in a position for way too long. I would advise that you take some steps, a few steps, and not to just be in a position for a long period of time, because that's what switches off your pain.